Welcome back to SETC. Today we're going to show you how to customize a My Little Pony Equestria Girl minifigure from this into this. So we're going to need a few things first of all, so let's get to it. So first of all we're going to need Pinkie Pie. We're going to then need Rainbow Dash. And we're also going to need a Fluttershy. We're going to need Rainbow Dash's body for Adagio Dazzle's body. We're going to need Pinkie Pie's hair for Adagio Dazzle's hair. And Fluttershy, we're going to need to use her face. Now, all we're going to do with Fluttershy is paint over her face with Adagio Dazzle's skin colour. You can use Rainbow Dash or any of the other ponies you want, however the paint will go over Fluttershy's face a lot easier than these. You're also going to need some paints, some paint brushes, so first of all we're going to need to take the heads off all the dolls. So now we have the heads off all the bodies, we're going to need to take Pinkie Pie's hair off of her head. You will need an adult to help you with this. After a few basic coats, this is what you'll be left with. And this is the front of her hair. As you can see, we've done one basic coat on the face. We've removed the eyebrows. All we'll need to do now is repaint the eyes to make them purple and put on her makeup and eyebrows. And then give it another coat of paint. And this is what your body section should look like after a few coats of paint. With the arms, we've had to use 5 coats of skin coloured paint as the arms were initially blue. The same with the torso section here. It's already starting to look like Adagio Dazzle. So all we'll need to do now is give it one more coat of paint on all these sections and then do the fine detailing. So this is what your Adagio Dazzle face should now look like. As you can see, we've got the mouth, we've added the eyebrows and the eyeshadow around the eyes, and we've repainted the eyes to match her eyes from the film. And as you can also see, we've used a toothpick to do the pendant on her chest as well. So all she needs to have done now is have her hair glued back on. So at the back of your Equestria Girl mini head, you'll have this slot here. Just put some glue in there. You can use just regular super glue. And just put a little bit on here as well. There we go. Just give it a nice firm push. And then, as you can see at the top of her head, she has this slot here. Just put some in there. Like so. And then we have this bit here. Just put a little sprinkle on there as well. Then just push them both together like so. And now that we've glued the hair together, all we need to do is give the figure a coat of sealer. So just take a brush and brush it all over. Only apply a very thin layer to all the parts of the paint. And there we have our awesome Adagio Dazzle custom My Little Pony Equestria Girl figure. Let us know in the comments below if you liked this and if you're going to give this a try. And if you have any My Little Pony Equestria Girl customs you'd like to show us, upload them to Instagram and tag Surprise Egg and Toy Collector. We'd love to see them. Thanks for watching SETC and we'll see you next time.